Time to clean up for real. And it's so bad, and it's like around 11:30 to 12 in the morning. But anyways, hi guys, it's Suitcase, and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button so you're notified every time I drop a video, and become a homie. Like, comment, and share. And if I don't have subscribers, one of my regulars, welcome back to the homies club. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for the love and support, and I hope you brought a friend. Getting into this vlog, guys, actually I don't know where to start, if I'm being honest, because I don't know whether I should do like a part 1 and a part 2, but I'm really contemplating on doing like, because this vlog is organizing Declutter with me, like preparing to go home on the 25th. So I don't know whether to do a part 1 and a part 2, because if I'm gonna film today and tomorrow, I'm planning to do the laundry today. Like it's probably gonna take 2 days today and tomorrow. It's gonna take a while, because I also wanna fold my laundry, about my laundry, my clothes and my wardrobes, and my shoes as well, and everything. And I already washed my comforts on bed and my 2 pillowcases. They already washed those, and the sheety foods in bed. 5 things I've watched, 5 things so far. So I'm going home on the 25th. So this is like kind of preparing to go home, organizing the Declutter vlog. I'm leaving Greece, obviously. So as in, before I actually saw this vlog, I was actually planning to plan my content, how I'm gonna go about with this, because like if I don't have an idea how I'm gonna go about with this, when I come here in front of the camera, I'm gonna mumble and babble and yap like I just did, which is so unnecessary. It's just wasting time. Actually, maybe we'll plan this content, and then I will come to you guys with a set straight plan of how I'm gonna do this. Oh, I'm tired, and I also need to shower. Actually, you know what? Plan content, shower. I need to create a to-do list for today, which is something that I need to be in the habit of. I need to have that habit of creating a to-do list for the day. I used to do it in first semester. I don't know why I didn't do it second semester, because it really helped me a lot. Anyways, let's go. Let me just go pen the content. It's oh, I'm still dark. Let me switch on the lights. Okay, that's better. Yay. And I'll prove it later. It's time. The potatoes already started without training, and when I haven't even started, I think it's 4 o'clock, or it's 3 to 4, around those times, and I have to start cleaning. So I was in the kitchen because it's a mess. I was not supposed to clean it today, and I didn't. And I did my turn to check out the trash, I didn't. So when I started in the kitchen, and then walk my way up to my room. I don't think I'll finish everything I need to do today. So I don't know if you guys had showed you it, but I have a to-do list to follow. I think I'm gonna put it right here for you guys to see. I have a to-do list to follow, which in the kitchen wasn't one of them, but then I just remembered that yesterday it's my turn to clean and I didn't, so I had to clean today. Right now I'm gonna clean the kitchen like I said I would, and stop being productive because I was listening in the whole morning. Okay. I was listening around the whole morning when I had the chance to, and I had the energy to. Now I'm literally forcing myself to clean. Yeah. And I'm gonna connect my AirPods to my laptop because I'm gonna be using my phone to film. So I hope this video, guys, motivates y'all to have a productive day and clean whatever you need to do at the moment, at the time that you need to. Because let me show you how this kitchen looks at the moment. Like I am embarrassed. So we'll start here. We'll start here by the stove. That is a pot that I used today though. And this is a cup that I used today. Had oil. Those are my food here. Okay. Those I need to keep back to our landlord, just that you know. I don't know why we haven't taken this down, but it's been up here for a while and then we need to take it down. We just don't seem to get it down. I used this today like an hour or two ago. And then ta-da. Well, time to clean up for real.
Try to catch riding dirty in the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boys that she find it pretty, and the country boys that she find it pretty. My pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know soon as they see my jewelry. Being fresh to death is a crime. I think it's time for me to see the jury.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami.
I'm finally done with the kitchen. Oh, I look so dark. Okay, that looks better. But listen, okay, I'll just do this. I'm finally done with the kitchen. I'll show you guys like the after of the before. But I'm not gonna see because I'm this suit today, so oh, my eyes, they can be a problem sometimes.
Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
why is the lighting so bad? Is it me? Or is the lighting really bad today? No, it's not sunny outside like at all. Now we've moving on to the main event. Cleaning my bedroom. Not actually cleaning my bedroom, but then like my wardrobe and stuff. Assuming it was just gonna be my wardrobe. I was supposed to do my washing today, my laundry, and I didn't do it. So hopefully the laundry is still open. I'm gonna put my washing in there. Maybe put y'all down. No hold you like this. If I have to show you guys my wardrobe, I'd rather not. You guys will see. Wait, let me fix the lighting thing. It's so bad. Like, it is so bad. It's so bad. But we can work with it. Anyways, if I could show you guys my wardrobe, you guys would laugh at me because it is so bad. I am embarrassed. When I was when I put my clothes on the plate, you guys will see. Actually, it was really bad. And yeah. Oh yeah, I told you guys. I think in my bed, I washed my comforter and stuff. So that's my bed, naked. And there's Rumi over there. Wait, trying to point. There's Rumi over there and my blankets. I want to put down today because, well, my comforter is in the washing. Let me actually get done with this. Let me try and get done with this because I'm tired and have an assignment to finish and submit. See you tomorrow.
Could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be with what you go through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down. You don't make it I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe don't you be so sure that you cry for. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. It's all you need is some time and like a little tea. I better get all my love and take you home, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be like the cool you are, and let you know everything will be alright. Yeah, I wanna be down, I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, I wanna be down.
Oh man, this earbud switched off. So you guys saw me because I have. I'm gonna take things up to deal with right now. I'm just gonna sort through these clothes. Pause. I don't know why they're disconnected. Just gonna have to connect to the speaker. Anyways, I'm even holding my phone. I put my tripod stand down. So sorry, you guys. Anyways, I'm just gonna sort through these clothes and then I'll put the ones that I'm gonna donate on the side. Oh yeah, because I'm my mom. I'm gonna put them on my donation side. The ones that I don't wear anymore, that are still in good condition. Put them aside because I asked my mom to donate them for me. And then the other ones, I'll just throw them away. The ones that I don't wear and they're not in good condition. Or so as I would wear them. I would keep them for when I wear them at home. If I'm at home, or there's a ceremony at home and I need to wear something, you know. So yeah, and then the other ones I'm just gonna put back in my wardrobe. So when I pack, it's easier for me when I pack because I'm gonna pack on Saturday and I come back probably Sunday, but I'll see. It's actually get to the setting gets so bad. Let me start dealing with this mess.
Taking notes on my keyboard.
Queens, we go back like DAs, wearing PJs. Now we reach the peak age, running trains for 3 days. Who wanna ride it on course? You $1 with a store for harder, a fortune still on a dollar. I'm big, I rip my prick through your hooters, I'm sick. You couldn't measure my dick with 6 rulers. Hold up, shoot up. I'm all about getting new, but I knock that bull if you about to get cool. I'm about to play, I just fuck a lot. Uptown, baby, uptown. I'm about to play, I just fuck a lot. I don't discriminate. I regulate every shade in the ass. Long as you show class and pass my test. Fat ass and breast. Highly intelligent, that's the rest. That's the best. I won't settle for less. I want to get a man with unforgettable sex. The leg ahead of my chest. I feel my heartbeat. Ricky Mark G. One more deep. But just mark and leave. It's hard to creep since I found you. Every pretty round hole. Wanna go down low. Put this boogie down low. For you know. I'ma let you know. Once I put the clothes, get your clothes. Get you got to go.
Quick check. This is how far we've gone with the packing. I finished the clothes over here. These ones over here are the ones that I wear when I'm at home, and the ones over here are the ones that I wear when I'm going out. And yes, we do have clothes like that, so don't judge my packing. I'm very bad at packing. It's something that I'm still learning to do. It's a skill that I'm still learning, teaching myself. So yeah, these are my clothes that are staying. I'm not gonna leave with, and these are my clothes I'm gonna pack on probably Saturday when I come back and do my hair, or Sunday day before. I will see. We'll see. That's the only thing.
We are sit the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we must spray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but and I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that
Guys, it's literally what's the time? I think it's so yeah, it's 7:08 at night, and I haven't gotten far actually. Like I haven't gotten as sorry guys, I'm just trying to open this thing. I haven't gotten as much as I would have loved to be at this time of the hour of the day. So I'm just like, oh my heavens, I'm so tired. I'm tired of this. I'm tired, but I have to do it. Because not doing it would just be dealing my miserable, and I don't want to have a stressful weekend. I'd rather start today stressing about this. Yes I do. This I'm leaving with. I'm gonna brush my hair. And I don't have a stressful weekend stressing myself over this, because I want to do my hair this weekend. And I just asked for money from my mom. Hopefully she pays. But I asked her to lend me money. I'll pay her back, because the girl pays for her own hair now. Yes, I pay for my own hair now. I should have put this. That's the shin bags. Shin bags, share my dear. I'll forever love them, because they are very helpful in situations like this. Because right now I have 2 shin bags packed and ready to go. Because why? Because my dear, this one has like all the extra stuff I need that I have for my hair and stuff. Yeah. And my belts and stuff. And then the other one, the other shin bag has, what does it have? All my underwears and my hats and stuff, and my skinny bras as well. So I'm done with that. Now what I need to do is cover this, because I'm gonna do the stationery packing Saturday when I get back from doing my hair. Hopefully my mom will give me the money. So when I do my hair, I'm gonna do stationery packing, then and cleaning up, thoroughly in my room because I'm not gonna clean today. I'm gonna clean another day. Tomorrow I just want to focus on if the laundry is open now. I'm gonna put my laundry in there now, and then tomorrow I'm just gonna put it up. But then if it's not open now, then tomorrow first thing in the morning when I wake up, I gotta put in my laundry, and it's not a lot, Jim. It's not a lot. I just gotta clean this mess and then put this. I don't know what it's called. I forgot the name. Put it on my bed so when I sleep, it's sharp, you know. It's sharp means good. I need to wash these hats. I need to wash all of these hats. These hats need to be washed tomorrow. Those hats need to be washed tomorrow at the sandals belt. So yeah, I'm tired. That's an update. That's the update, guys. And I still haven't put my jackets in my wardrobe. But at least I have my clothes sorted out. So in terms of like which clothes are gonna get packed, which clothes are gonna stay behind. And all those jackets and jerseys and gowns staying behind because I do have a suitcase full of those that I'm gonna carry with me going home, and I do have a gun at home. Oh yeah, already 7, and we're planning to make beef curry with uput. Imagine. And for those who know, beef curry takes a very long time to actually cook. The lighting is so bad at night. I wish I had those bright whites. Yes.
It's not
Filming.
Oh.
I wish I had those bright white lights, but we have the yellow ones, and it's so not nice because it makes it look bad. It makes it look bad, so bad. See the progress. This is the progress I've made. And then here's my wardrobe. This is the progress I've made. I haven't gotten to the shoes. I haven't even gotten to the shoes, literally. I just need to. Well, I'm not going to do anything to the shoes because it's just a matter of packing them, and I'll put them in the suitcase and that I'll buy. I need to do that laundry. But yeah, people, let me finish up. I'm not gonna rest now because I have an assignment to submit as well. Yo, life. I have an assignment to submit as well. I actually just changed into my pajamas. See? And I wear my shorts, pajama shorts. But hey, why does it keep on falling? Anyways, I'm wearing it with my pajama shorts. It goes together, and I bought these last year. No, I think it's last year. For Christmas. So yeah, let me put the wash in like I said I would.
I just wanna take you there. You don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. No one will stop us. Ain't no one gonna stop.
Washing in the laundry. It's in the laundry. It's so hot today. Like, it's so hot, you people guys won't get it. Oh, it's so hot. Thank you, my Sandy. Thank you for the shoes. It is so hot, you guys. You guys don't understand. Oh, I'm naked. Person could be naked, but it's honor. Decluttering. Anyways, I hope that Rance doesn't lock that room because I will need to think in my clothes. And I feel like ending this vlog today because tomorrow I need to film another one. And then Sunday I will do the second part of this vlog. I don't think this vlog will be that long. It won't be that long actually. Yeah, I don't think it'll be that long. The long one will be the one on Sunday. So the sooner I finish this one and edit it and finish it, then and the sooner I post it as well, the better. Because I'm actually gonna fit 3 vlogs in one weekend. So I'll probably end it later because right now, let's finish this hat, this POE, since it's back in this POE, and submit it. So I'm going to do her hair. She's gonna come back a gorgeous way. I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow. So the next vlog after this is my next day before going home. Cause I look mad crusty right now. I look so bad. Like the crust is real. Like the crust is there. Ugh, Sana. Sandy.
Ain't no one will stop us, and I'ma give